Good morning folks, my name is Stuart. I'm going to be your tour driver for this morning, and we're going to head round part of the wind farm. And note I said part of the wind farm because if we were to go round the whole wind farm we wouldn't be back in time for my dinner tonight, and I'm afraid I need my dinner. So what we'll do, we'll head out to one of the wind turbines and we'll go nice and close to one of the wind turbines and actually see how tall they are, and we're right next to them. And then we'll hear a wee bit about how the electricity gets from the wind straight to our homes. Now on the way in this morning, you may well have noticed one of the blades up here at Whitelee, and that is straight ahead of us just now. And this is one of the smallest blades up here at Whitelee wind farm. And there's actually 6 turbines with this length of blade on the turbines up here. And it is 40 metres in length, it weighs 12 tonnes in weight, so that's the 12 small cars it weighs, and it's actually hollow inside. So if you wanted to have a party, you could have a party inside it, if you really wanted to. And we get loads of school kids up and they ask them what they think it's made from. And the 3 most popular answers are iron, metal or steel. And it's actually made from one of those. It's actually made from balsa wood, which is a very, very light wood but very, very strong, with a coating of fiberglass to make it watertight. So it's made from balsa wood and fiberglass. So if you guys just bear with me for a wee second, I will go and open this gate. And with all the technology up here at Whitelee wind farm, they've got me holding the gate open with a piece of rope. Not bad at all, wasn't it? So on the way back in 1996, that it was decided that a wind farm up here at Whitelee would be a great idea. However, it took them 10 years of planning and to get through planning permission. Because we're over 3 different council areas of East Renfrewshire, East Ayrshire and South Lanarkshire. So 10 years later, the first phase of the wind farm was started. And that consisted of 140 Siemens turbines. Those are the ones we see around about us just now, and they stand 110 metres tall, producing 2.3 megawatt of electricity at full capacity. Obviously not today, which we'll talk about later on. And so 3 years later, that's all the time it took them to install the first phase of the wind farm. Then later on, 2009, the second phase of the wind farm was started, and that consisted of another 75 Alstom wind turbines. And they are over at the forest, and they stand 140 metres tall. So the ones over at the forest, obviously a lot taller. The majority of those are 3 megawatt of electricity at full capacity. So obviously the taller ones over at the forest, because we put these ones here over at the forest, end up giving the trees a wee haircut. You end up letting me no hair at all. So that's why the taller ones are over at the forest. So all in all, you get 539 megawatt of electricity at full capacity with the 215 wind turbines up here at Whitelee wind farm. Now we are the largest onshore wind farm in the United Kingdom, and right up until very recently We were the largest in Europe, however. Romania, they were cheating. They actually joined two wind farms together, the Fantanelli and the Kajiliak wind farm. They joined the two of those together, and they are now the largest onshore wind farm in Europe. They're still the largest in the United Kingdom. So even just for a short time up here, you guys will realise that it's not just a wind farm. Well, people come up here for walks, walking dogs, riding bikes, riding horses, and on a Friday morning, you even get mums and dads up here pushing their babies in their prams with the strollers group for their Friday morning exercise. Then after that, they spend the rest of the morning drinking coffee and eating cake in the cafe. Not a bad day for a wee exercise. Also on the right hand side, we have got the picnic shelters up there, and they're all pointing in different directions. And the reason for that is, more often than not, you come up here to Whitelee, it is blowing a hoolie or raining, or more than likely both. So if you've got a wee picnic, there's always a shelter for you to go into without getting blown away. So that's why the shelters are all pointing in different directions. Also on the right hand side, there's a mountain bike trail. Well, there are actually 3 mountain bike trails up there on the right hand side. And not that easy one, intermediate one, the more difficult one. And those mountain bike trails were actually designed by the same guys who designed the 2014 Commonwealth Games mountain bike trails in Glasgow. They designed the ones up here at Whitelee. Straight ahead of the bus and number to the left, this takes us up to the city of Glasgow. Scotland's largest city, population over 500,000 people, and our capital just under 500,000. And like many places in Scotland, they have discovered ancient forts. And up here at Whitelee is no exception. Straight ahead of the bus just now is Dunwan Hill. And they discovered an ancient fort in Dunwan Hill dating way back to the Iron Age. So all the land round about us just now is not owned by Scottish Power Renewables, who own the wind farm. It's actually owned by the Water Authority, the Forestry Commission, and some private landowners. Now they get a lease on the land for 25 years. Some people say to me on the tour, oh Stuart, what's going to happen after 25 years? Well, my answer's always exactly the same. Absolutely nothing. Because the wind farm is actually built on peat blankets. The 23% of Scotland is a peat blanket. It's all peat blankets. So nothing much you can do with the land up here. Years back it was overgrazed by sheep, and it was also used for commercial rice shooting. So nothing much you can do with the land. So after the 25 years, most people are just going to put their hands out and say thank you very much and carry on as normal. So it is a win-win situation for the landowners and also for Scottish Power Renewables. Straight ahead of the bus just now is Loch going. There's one of over 50,000 lochs and lockings in Scotland, and behind that is the forest. That's where the taller turbines are. Looking at them from here, they look exactly the same. However, on closer inspection, there are quite a few differences. Mainly, look at those ones here, the Siemens turbines. You actually notice those towers get narrower at the top. That means there's no lift inside them. So anytime the engineers come to service and or maintain the turbine, which is every 5,000 hours or every 208 days, whichever comes first, they've got to climb 160 steps to the very top before they even start their work. However, over at the forest, the Ulster turbines, those towers go straight up and down. That means there's a 2-man lift inside those. So when engineers come to service those, just the two open the door, jump in a wheel lift, and they can take it right to the top, and they can start their work. So if I was an engineer, I'd like to have a going to work in the forest all the time. Maybe I'm just being lazy, don't want to climb all those stairs. also notice on the turbines are all numbered. Obviously number 1 right up to 250. Those numbers are there. So at the engineers know which turbine they're going to service and or maintain. And the numbers are also there for the public. Remember I was saying earlier, people come up here for walks and out on their bikes. We always recommend people to take a lap with them when they're out on their bikes. So you got them down over a few hills here, look around you and it's so easy to get disorientated. You just, all you see is wind turbines and it is so easy to get lost. So that's why we always recommend taking a map. So if you do get lost and disorientated, all you do is find the nearest turbine, compare it to the number on the map, and then you can work out the line. It's amazing the amount of phone calls reception get asking if you do a rescue service, and the answer is no way to do it. Straight ahead of us just now, you can actually see the engineers working on one of the turbines. Those guys will stop up here, turbine number 42, then we'll walk down and go up pretty close to one of the turbines. They will hear a wee bit about how the electricity gets from the wind straight to other rooms. Just wash your footing up here, it's been very dry, so if we keep on the path we'll be fine. We've got to be climbing up the rocks at the side there, because they're very, very loose. We cut these around like that, so we'll just keep on to the path and we'll be fine. Those guys have got to make sure that there's enough wind, say up here at Whitelee, wind farm to supply the national grid with that electricity, then they would bid for that electricity. So it's a very important job those guys have got. If you remember that a couple of years ago, as well as Scotland being the windiest country in Europe, we are 300 metres above sea level. Straight ahead of us just now is the Clyde Estuary where it meets the Ailsa Craig, then the Irish Sea, beyond that Northern Ireland, beyond that the Atlantic Ocean, and beyond that the United States of America. And we are right in when the site was built. It was built in 12 areas, 12 sections, so that the wind that is there just now to stop the blades turning, they would put the blades straight across the way so that the wind passes straight right through. Now up here at Whitelee wind farm, there's no lights on the turbines. I found that really strange when I started up here and I asked the question over at the control centre, because straight ahead of you'll see the gas provider. You see the big gas lorries going about, the big gas bottles go by, and a company called ITM. Now, ITM actually just before the first lockdown, we were actually on site. We opened for many amounts of money watching those guys build the tower. But we did all our electric days. Great day and a very safe journey back home again. Thanks very much.